Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at Vechain then on our daily time frame. As we can see, very much looking like it's forming up like a lot of our other altcoins right now. Got this descending wedge type formation that has been broken out of and retested. Vechain here looking like it could either be formed up like this, or you could say it's like this as well. I'll probably just go like this just for the sake of simplicity. It's looking very, very similar to a lot of other cryptos that we've been looking at. You can see quite clearly on the chart here that descending wedge pattern back into a good area of demand, which is this 0.38 Fibonacci level at around 4.2 cents. You can see we've got a strong bullish reaction from this level, bouncing back up with this wick here, coming down, retesting the level again and again, and right now going sideways, basically in line with what Bitcoin's doing. If we take a quick look at Bitcoin, you'll be able to see Bitcoin's basically been going sideways in a bit of a range for a good while now. We were heading up in this ascending kind of channel formation, but with those huge bearish divergences coming in, it was pretty obvious to me we were going to have a pullback, and right now we are ranging to the side. I think we'll still get a pullback further down towards this 80k area in my opinion, like this, but right now you can see Bitcoin very much just going sideways in this range, and you could argue that Vechain is basically following it pretty much to an extent here. Really nice bullish move recently from down here, that 1.8 cent level up to 8 cents, so around a 4x, which was really good to see. You can see here that we have got this really good bullish market structure on the macro. The weekly time frame obviously showing this to the absolute T. A little bit of chop in the local area here. We could easily see a little bit more of a retracement in my opinion, back down towards this 3 cent area before that final push up to a new all-time high. This would be the scenario that I'd be looking for personally. Right now we're bouncing at the 0.38 Fibonacci here. We're still potentially in this third wave of the bull market. If you take a look at what we're looking at here, we've had the first two waves completed. We're looking at the third wave now. Is it going to have one final push before an extended bit of cooling off before that final move, or is this the move and now we're going to cool off and then see our final pump for our large caps? I think right now we could see one more push to the upside like this for Vechain before an extended period like we did back here of just cooling off for a fourth wave back down towards this 4 or 5 cent area here, and then that final push to a new all-time high is what I'd be looking for, that impulsive crazy final move that you see in bull markets, just like you saw in the last bull market here for Vechain. Right now Vechain is basically just sort of emulating the previous bull market, but obviously it's taken us a lot longer to get here with that big 6th month consolidation for Bitcoin before the recent pump, so obviously not exactly the same as usual. But Vechain here, I think, still following what I'm thinking is going to be happening in this next bull market. And you can see here, obviously the movement in the local area does support that. I've had this really great first pump outside the range, back testing into it with a huge descending wedge, massive 4x pump again, and then obviously getting a bit of a retracement and consolidation in this local area here. Right now it all depends on what Bitcoin does really, in my opinion, for the direction that we go next. Obviously if Bitcoin continues to go sideways or has a little bit of a pump, we'll probably see our altcoins moving up again. But if Bitcoin does drag the market down, then we will be looking at Vechain heading to the downside and coming back down probably into this area between 2 and 3 cents for another retest before a pump to the upside, getting into an area of demand. Apart from that, Vechain looking really good, not much to report in this local area, looking like we're probably going to be seeing more upside in the short term, I would say. Long term, still looking for all-time highs. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.
You